Hi, this is Ashley again, creator of DateDojo.com. Today I want to introduce you to the CrowdSight tool, as it's the first tool you'll probably use on Date Dojo. When you join an online dating site, the first thing you do is upload a bunch of photos. If you're like most folks, you don't really know if those photos are any good. They're just photos that you like. But with CrowdSight, we can actually upload the photos, have people vote on them, and then see those results. So let's show you the upload side. First thing I do is I click here, I select a photo, let's say this guy. I really like this photo. I think everybody will love it too. Let's make it a little bigger. Actually, I want to catch some of my square jaw and a nice shirt there. So I want people to see this photo and think I'm hip, think I'm clean cut, and also think I'm handsome. And I'm going to do one more photo. I'm going to pick this one. One of the things that's important to note is that when your photos say a lot about you, whether you think they should or not. So you really want to make sure that the message you're sending is the message you want to send. I want this photo to say, I'm a good listener, and I have a sense of humor. I think that's enough for now. What I would do then is, because I want to contribute to the community, I want to vote on other people's photos, and just as I expect them to vote on my photos. So now I'm logged in as a different user, so I can show you the vote side of the tool. Let's go back to CrowdSight. This time I'm going to go to vote. And I see random photos that people have uploaded to see if they're good profile photos. This person thinks this makes them look cool. I don't agree. Makes them look mysterious. Maybe. Interesting? Maybe. But I'm going to say this is really unclear and probably uncompelling. This guy looks angry, for sure. Tough? Yeah. Funny? No. I don't think he looks funny. I think that's a fake. I think I've seen that guy before. Oh, this guy. Oh, good listener. Sure. I don't know. I can't really tell if he's a good listener, but he does have a good sense of humor. But it's really unclear and maybe misleading. This person says she's fun. Sure, why not? Young. I think so. Spectacular. Sure. It's really unclear because she has sunglasses on, so I don't know if I really like that photo. Hip. I have no idea. Sure. Clean cut. Yep. Handsome. No. Who is this handsome devil? I think he's handsome. Looks pretty happy. Not sure if he's young. Anyway, you get the point. So now I've been notified that my pictures have received enough votes to give me some valid input. So I go back to the CrowdSight tool. I go to results, and I'm going to find the photo that I'm interested in. Based on 10 votes, people aren't sure if I'm a good listener, but they do find that I have a good sense of humor, which is good. That was the goal of the photo. So I'll consider that for upload to my online dating profile. This is another photo I was interested in. People can't tell that I'm rich, can't tell that I'm young, and well, a little bit of bump to say I'm awesome, but I bet it's all the guys trying to tear me down. So let me change my filter so that I can look at the women's votes. Uh-oh. The women don't think that this picture makes me look awesome, so maybe I don't want to use this picture after all. So that's how you use the CrowdSight tool. Upload photos, vote on those photos, and look at the results. In the next video, I'll show you the Chat Jitsu tool. I hope to see you then.